Yo, look, the turtle, he's eating. What a fat boy. Look at him. My turtle's eating. I don't think he will want to see that right now, but I'm going to sit back. Look at it. He's nibbling on it. Oh, look at it. He got the chunk. He got it. He got it. See, this is why. Leonardo, yeah, is the best ninja. No, Michelangelo is way better. But we don't talk about that, okay? Look at him, bro. So cool. Look at that big chunk. Oh, he's ripping it, boy. You don't want problems from him. Eating that fat chunk. For now, his diet is bread. Oh. I thought his old food used to be in there. Whatever. Now his diet is just bread. It used to be some food that we used to feed him. Some turtle food, but you know, I don't trust that, so I just feed him bread. He eats bread. He likes it. I want to start feeding him more stuff. But I think he's good with his diet. He eats a lot. As you can see, he's a chunky boy. So, yeah. Ooh. But yeah, that's my turtle.